The following message is transmitted at the request of the Farmington Police Department, mental asylums, and birds on fire everywhere. A random assortment of unusual events is occurring all over the city of Farmington. There have been reports of people suddenly being unable to solve math problems, especially algebra, demons stripping paint all over buildings, baseball games having all their baseballs juiced, and a virus spreading all over the city that causes its victims to say I have a fever and the only cure is more cowbell. Okay, let's stop for a moment. What kind of drugs was Phoenix on when typing out the script for this? What did he expect? Does he want a trophy? Someone explain to me why I'm still saying this. You know what? I'm done here. There's flaming birds everywhere, and I'm about to get many shotguns to fix this issue. If anyone wants some food, too bad. It's all mine. This will all clear up soon. I hope, at least, or I'll kick Phoenix's ass. Good luck, everybody.